When did they invent the internet?
I'm right. This cord goes into this thing. Just lick your fingers, stick it to the wire. Come along, everybody, on this wonderful journey.
This disaster that we're currently rocking.
And we're live.
We're live, baby. If we recap yesterday, we did a lot of dremeling of the deck. We fixed our solar panel. We washed the deck. You wouldn't know it by looking at it, but we did wash it. We uninstalled the old compass.
Gotta get a new compass.
We went hunting for a new compass. The local West Marine did not have them. We got our AIS transponder, and this has like a built-in split for the VHF antenna, and then I think comes with a different antenna. So that you can just mount to the stern rail, right?
Not more than just mount it to the stern rail, but
you just wire. Yeah, you just mount it.
just wire it.
So this is the Digital Yacht AIT5000 Class B AIS transponder. So AIS, there's Class A and Class B. Class A is mostly commercial, almost exclusively commercial, I think. Class B is basically everybody else. So the purpose of this, receive and transmit AIS, which is basically just like position information of vessels. The other thing, which is fun, and I say that sarcastically, you need to get like an actual like radio license, like from the FCC. And oh boy, what a process. Because I think the website was last updated in like when did they invent the internet? Like, I think that was the last time anybody changed their webpage. So it was the worst, but we have it. Oh, the other reason we got this one is because it's Wi-Fi enabled. We don't have like a fancy like Raymarine or like a BNG like chart plotter. Instead, we're just gonna use our phones and Navionics. This will pull information from our VHF. It'll receive positions. It'll transpond our position. So this has Wi-Fi built in, so it'll do all of that, receive all that information, and then transmit it to like devices.
My question is, if we put that GPS antenna just like in there, how does it like good signal? And you're like, all right, like.
There's a reason everybody puts them on deck.
Yeah, because they're all idiots.
You're right. They're wrong.
You're right. They're wrong. Fuck you. I'm right.
I would say you could wire it all up, and we can like just to see if it works.
So this cord goes into this thing. So we're just gonna put this in here. This is the extender. There's also a thing for an FM radio.
Yes, I did see that. That's like
what,
an optional
just for fun,
thing. Yeah, just for fun. So you can get some tunes.
And then this goes to here, the back of this guy. This is now the back of the VHF. And then this guy will go into the back of here, because this thing pretty much just acts as a splitter. Now, you need a 12-volt power source. Just use a bulb outlet. Just lick your fingers, stick it to the wire. Bob's your uncle. You loosen up here. So you take the red wire and you stick it in here, because it's like a 12-volt power source, so it doesn't really care about much else. So then I will squeeze that in here. Red is on red. So now that's on. It's got power. Okay, so it says power. It says Wi-Fi is on. Okay, now time to read the manual. This is the riveting stuff, everybody.
Digital Yacht. Just like Google the name.
Wow! Did I do that thing where I go?
That'll be the thumbnail. Whoa!
Whoa! We got a new transponder. I just gotta watch the video.
So TDMA, which gives you a guaranteed slot in the
isn't this fun, guys?
AIS
Just show me how to wire the thing up. I get it.
in the system. So that's
Dude, I've loved this video. I watch this every night. This is what sends me to sleep. Dude, that's my favorite type of connection. The ONME 0183.
I love that one.
Yeah. This is not the video I want. Oh no, that was the how-to. This is the how to install video. Alright, well, stand by, everybody.
That's the one. Listen to that soundtrack.
Dude, this song rocks, dude. Using the simple web interface, enter the vessel MSI and static data. But what are they connecting to? Oh, there it is. AIT5000. What's the Wi-Fi password? Connecting. We're in. It's on.
You gotta do the ear thing.
We're in. Okay, so it's not transmitting. Main status page. Okay. Vessel details. Come along, everybody, on this wonderful journey. So this is pretty much the page. It says, like, hey, you have satellite signal, which is good because this is the GPS antenna. There looks to be a way, it said in the manual, of hooking these wires up here, which are the NEMA cables, to the VHF antenna so that it gets VHF, or for the VHF transceiver so that it gets GPS data from this device, which would be nice. So let's go to more pages. Vessel name Bernard. Oh, we got it. Our MMSI number is on. Oh shit, we're transmitting. We are transmitting AIS, Mariana. So now we will go to our phone app. So what, menu, paired devices, connect this device to your plotter's Wi-Fi by clicking below, open Wi-Fi. Connected without internet. Paired devices, okay. Digital Yacht, connected. AIS receiving data. AIS settings. Display AIS targets. Oh, we got it. Boom, boat 360, whatever. Call sign, don't know. Yeah, so this is fun for the camera. All right, here's the boat that hit the Key Bridge. It only has the number. It doesn't have the call sign. You can see it's aground. Yeah, so there's all the boats. There's AIS. So we have AIS on Navionics now. Okay, great. So that works. Now to kind of actually install it.
Chat, come watch me fill holes with epoxy. It's riveting stuff. Basically, oh, you fell down. Just filling in these cracks. I dremeled a bunch of them yesterday. Today we're gonna try to fill some of them in. Gotta go kind of fast to get as many of these filled before it kind of gives up on me. And then just kind of sand down the excess once it dries. And then eventually we'll paint this whole thing. Kiwi grip is what we have, what we're planning to put back on top. Made by the same people who make shoe polish, Kiwi shoe polish. It's the same people. You use like this special textured roller on, so it leaves it like non-skid kind of surface. It'll make it nice and white, again, nice and clean and pretty looking, and not this disaster that we're currently rocking. Also, into the Kiwi grip, because it's thicker, I think you can do like 3 millimeters thick. That should kind of act as its own kind of like sealant slash, like it'll kind of level all of that out as well. We're gonna put that paint over top everywhere, basically on this upper part of the deck. Oh, hello chat. We got a lot of those holes filled pretty quickly. All this is stuff I filled today. I think that's it for today then. And we got some good work done, good progress on all the little cracks that are on the deck are filled now. Till we make more, which we will. Yeah, we got the AIS working. Installed, very clutch.
Not installed, working.
Well, working. Digitally installed, we could say. Shout out Digital Yacht. Thanks for hanging out. Bye.